So today we're working on replacing the shifter indicator in the dash. You'll notice there is nothing in there for a pointer pointing at what gear we're in, which can be a little bit aggravating and frustrating. So we're going to pull this whole dash panel bezel off, and then we're going to replace that. So there's what we see when we get in here. You see that the indicator here has been broken off, and somebody's been in here and done some hankering around, because that braided copper wire right there is not factory. And so yeah, I'm going to take that whole mechanism out and replace it. There's a couple screws, if I can show you right here. They're probably about 7mm. Pull those out and we'll put the new one in. So there's the old version with somebody's anchored up, twisted, braided copper wire and the broke off indicator. And here's the brand new unit, direct from Taiwan. There's the part number and everything. Or just swap them out.
I couldn't get a good angle to be able to video connecting the clip from the pointer on the shift indicator to the steering column. So here's a picture to illustrate. The arrow is pointing to the clip that is on the end of the two little small cables coming off the pointer. When you put it on, you just clip that on the shroud on the bottom of the steering column that moves when you pull the gear shift, and you just align that to get your pointer to set on the proper gear. So what I did is with it in park, I put the pointer on park and I moved that clip down there on the shroud and put it in, and then I moved through the gears, made sure it was lined, and adjusted it accordingly.
Alright, so the dash is all back together. We got it showing park. We show reverse, neutral, second, first. Another job completed. Hey y'all, would you mind doing me a quick favor and just go ahead and like the video and click on the subscribe button too. That way anytime you pop into YouTube, look around, if we put up something new, you'll see it in your list and you can look at it and see if it's something of interest. Thanks.